Hello, girls. I'm Mira.
I'm Zoey.
I'm Rumi.
And I'm Judy. And this is our vacation.
All right, girls, time to head to the yachts. Wow, that ruby yacht is absolutely gorgeous. Bye, Mira.
Woohoo! The Sapphire cruise! Awesome!
See you soon, Zoey. Whoa, I've got the diamond yacht. Yeah. Catch you later, Rumi.
I can't wait to get on my emerald cruise. Laloo, it's not working. Am I really gonna be stuck here?
You need the right outfit to get on the yacht.
But I don't have any other clothes.
No problem, I'll help you out. Come on in. First, let's get rid of your old clothes.
Wow.
Perfect. Next, we take some green tulle, cut a strip, fold it in half, and sew along the edge. Then we gather it. Look, it turned into a pretty ruffle. We'll add to the shoulders and decorate them with rhinestones. Pick a green gem from these colorful stones. The next step is to make a skirt out of tulle and decorate it with green sequins. Oh, look at that. What a gorgeous outfit. Judy, you look stunning.
Thank you, Laloo. Gotta run. Yay, I can finally get to my yacht. Where is it? Hey, wait for me! Oh no, they sailed off. I'm too late. Oh, how did this happen? Everyone's on vacation and I'm stuck here.
Don't worry and don't be sad. I'll help you. Let's look for some materials to build a boat. All right, these leaves will come in handy. Oh, just a bit more.
Yay!
Catch!
Yay, got it.
Here's some more building materials. Take them.
Perfect, thank you.
Look at that big chest. There's gotta be tons of stuff in there. But you guys have to help too. Hit the like button to open the chest. It worked! Thanks!
Laloo, can you help me build a boat out of this? Look at all the materials the crab found.
Out of this? Of course. Let's get all the materials ready and begin. First, let's open the chest. We start with a regular egg carton. Remove the eggs and cut off the lid. Place the tray inside the lid and use a craft knife to cut out one of the humps. Then, place a connector between two neighboring cones. Next, squeeze out some green paint and use a sponge to coat the whole structure. And while it's drying, let's work on the sails. Take a sushi stick, coat it with white glue, and sprinkle it with green glitter. Stick it into the end cone of the carton. Now, decorate the outside of the boat with rhinestone tape and glitter foam strip. Then take 2 pieces of glitter foam sheet, cut a piece of light green foam sheet in half, and attach it to the stick as a sail. Add some leaves on top. Decorate the sail edge with green rhinestones and embellish the deck with big gems. Let's add a personal touch by making a nameplate. Judy Hops, and decorate it with emerald gems. Add a few large rhinestones to the leaves as well. And there she is, a stunning emerald ship for Judy. Wow, she sparkles all over. The entire hull is covered in precious stones. She might just blind you with its brilliance. Judy, your ship is ready. Oh, she's so beautiful, and she even has my name on it. All right, I'm ready. My sailboat just needs some wind. We'll get you some wind. Let's use a hairdryer. Oops, oh, it's not working.
Hey!
Hang on, I'll fix it.
Oh, great. Stuck here again. Fine, I'll wait. Wait some more. Laloo, are you almost done? I can't take it anymore. Ew, it's so hot.
All set. Let's try again.
It's working. Wow, look at those waves. I'm gonna fall off. Holding on. Oh, there's my yacht. Laloo, look, that's my yacht. Just a bit more.
Yay!
Yay, this is my stop. The Emerald Cruise has officially begun. That's fantastic. I thought she wouldn't make it. Oh, what's that sound? Oh, I'm hungry. Waiter!
So, you called me? Oops, I'm not ready. Just like this, much better. Welcome to our cruise. Our menu features signature lobsters.
No, I don't want seafood.
How about pasta?
No.
Well, this appeared not so easy. Crafty Lou, we need a special dish that will be both tasty and elegant.
We take a jar of noodles. A little magic, it became really small. Now we take blue rhinestones, tear off a strip, and wrap it around. We cover the entire jar this way. Now let's decorate the lid. Put the blue rhinestones to form a flower and add smaller stones. Place big blue stones along the edge too. Look what else I have. I wonder what I'll need for this. I need this and this. Open the jar and fill it with thin blue ribbons shaped like noodles. Sprinkle blue glitter on top. The sapphire noodles are ready. Now take a toothpick and split it in half using cutters and fasten my sticks together. Decorate them with a flower made of rhinestones. A blue bow, just what I need. I attach this kind of charm to it. Done! But I still need a drink. Let's make it from blue air clay. Tear off a piece and fill the glass with it. Then fluff it up with the tweezers like this. And on top, I'll add polymer clay fruit sprinkles. Oh, pitahaya! Add 2 pieces to the glass and make a straw from a paper clip. Pick the blue one and cut off a piece. Decorate the glass with blue rhinestones and voila! We also need a jar of lotion, actually just its lid, and trace it on the back side of a blue foam sheet. Cut out a circle. Glue it to the lid with the shiny side up. Attach another same circle inside. Cover the sides of the lid, both outside and inside, with blue sequins. We got a gorgeous sapphire tray. Place noodles, a smoothie, and chopsticks on it. Zoey, here's your order.
Wow, cool! Everything's sparkling! Can I have a napkin?
Sure, here you go. That's it.
Huh?
What?
No. Ah, you thief! Come here, I'm gonna catch you right now! You won't fly away from me! Oh, almost done! Got you! Yes! Oops! Help! I'm gonna fall! Phew, seems I'm safe. Oops!
No!
Help! Give me a hand!
Oh, who's shouting there? Maybe it's just my imagination. Mira!
Huh?
Okay, what happened? Let's go, quickly. Okay, I'm here, so I don't see anything.
Help!
Oh gosh, that's Zoey! What do I do? Oh right, the life ring. Zoey, catch! Why can't I throw the ring? We have to save Zoey! Maybe because your ring isn't ruby. We'll fix it now. You can't leave the life ring like this. So let's take a red ribbon and glue its end to the ring. Then wrap the entire ring with this ribbon so there are no gaps. Secure the other end of the ribbon. Now it's time to decorate it with rubies. Separate a string of red rubies and wrap it around the ring. Add red stars in between the rhinestones. Look at the ruby life ring we got. Let's give it to Mira. Just in time, Crafty Lou. Zoey, catch!
Hooray, I'm saved! Oh, it's actually not deep here. But the life ring is just awesome. Woohoo! It's so cool to float on it.
Zoey, you're hopeless. Oh, someone's calling me.
I need help. I can't relax and swim in the pool.
You need a disguise. Come up with something.
Oh, they're coming. Oh no, they're here. Huntrix! Woo! Crafty Lou, help me, please. Can you make me a disguise? Let's hurry before they notice me. Phew, I finally shook them off.
Let's get started with a pattern. It will make a big diamond. We need to cut off the excess. First, fold all the top edges, and then fold along these lines. Form a diamond and glue all the parts together. The top part is left. Glue it on. This is the diamond blank we got. Now take a jar of toothpicks and trace a circle. Cut it out. We also need to make round holes on the side faces. We made holes here and here. Now mark a line on the sharp side and cut off this part with a craft knife. Presto! Decorate the diamond's edges with silver foam sheets with glitter. Cover here too. The top is left. Glue it on. All that's left is to glue rhinestones on the joints. Decorate the top part with bigger stones, like this. Well, Rumi, try it on.
Wow, cool. Now I look totally different. Thanks, Crafty Lou.
Anytime.
Okay, I hope they won't recognize me. Hello, have you by any chance seen Rumi? No, I haven't seen her. Oh, how's that? Maybe Rumi isn't on this yacht. Then let's look for her on another one. Come on, girls. Huntrix! Phew, they left, thank goodness. Oh, Genu, is that you?
Are you hiding from the fans too?
Yes, I am.
Rumi, if no one can see us here, how about we go down the pool slide?
Great idea. The pool is amazing.
Crafty Lou, we need to talk. Can you set up a cool slide for us?
No problem. It'll be ready soon. Here's your diamond slide.
Wow, I'm going first. Ready? Let's go!
It's fantastic. I want to go too.
Rumi, you're next. The water is just perfect.
Yay! Wow, that's high. I'm ready. Crafty Lou, give me a push. Woohoo! This is my best vacation ever! Yeah! That was incredible. I really enjoyed our trip.
Girls, I'm glad you liked your cruise, but you didn't forget anything, right?
What could we have forgotten? I don't know, but it feels like we forgot something.
You forgot about the concert. But I'll fix that quickly. Stay here. This basket is just perfect for crafting. Take out all the stuff and flip the basket over. It needs to be spruced up, so I'm covering it with this silver fabric. Isn't it much better this way? Glue foil tape around the bottom and decorate it with various rhinestones. Add the cardboard back, part of the scene. Take cutout stones to create a background. Decorate everything with blue, silver, and red tinsel. Attach the big Huntrix logo in the center. That's the scene. Time to call the girls for the performance.
So, where are we going to perform?
Wow.
What? Awesome! Wow! Well, are we ready to start? What? Wow, so many stones.
Well then, let's light it up.
Yes, hooray!
Write in the comments which cruise you liked best. Ruby, Diamond, or Sapphire? Give us likes and see you next time. Bye-bye.